Alright. Oh, more chana. Look, a whole bunch of them. More chana.
That's just a big claw.
Này mình thường khăng một tên mượn, thường khăng mờ bóng ôn mượn. Alright guys, time to feed the fishy, time to feed my other little babies. Đọc bây đã mà hộp ở đây bóng ôn. Sky mà phật tật đài nữa. Alright. Chắc chỗ tàu. We're the dog is there, so they don't want to come up yet. Bộ việc trong lại mà về khánh sky rồi đấy. Ever see you? It's like a plow mud. You can plow more. You can plow more. I want to see some. Alright, guys, we're gonna take one of these things and give it to the chickens. They actually love this right here. We got so much. Let's go get one more. Oh, they're waiting right there. Hello, little chickens. Hello. Hello, little chicken. There it is. They're chomping. Nhắm nó ôm ạ. Món cho chết nhắm pháo con ạ. Crunchy. It's crunchy. Don't go over kind of get this one. You got that over kind of get my bone. Oh, gosh, look at that. And go that room. Đó. Vô nó băng tỏi tia xí tập sân mà vô nó băng tỏi tia xí. Time to feed the ducks, guys. Time to feed the ducks. Time to feed the ducks. Hello này vô nó băng mà ỏi tia xí bông bông. Oh mà chả mình tên mà mau chả nè. They're hungry. Break them up, Paka. Break them up.
Wow.
They're like doggies. They're hungry. Oh, look, more coming, guys. More coming.
Where you going?
Baby, yeah, John, idea. Oh, a lot of them. Ducks, geese, mallards, all kinds.
Yeah, ducks are eating from my hand.
Good. Be careful, okay? Wow, look. They're so hungry. Look, there's more coming. Look, the whole gang is coming, guys. Oh, mocharana. Oh, mocharana. Look, a whole bunch of them. Mocharana. Wow, I don't even have anything. Look at this. I don't have anything for you, boy. Yeah. Oh, wow, they're going crazy. Oh, look at that. Surrounding us. We're being invaded by ducks. Oh, look at that one. Look at that cute one. Paka. Get one to the little guy right there. Go get one to the little guy. Where's baby's bread? Whoa, be careful. Whoa, there's so much, guys. Look at this. They're being invaded. We're being invaded by ducks. Look, they're following me. I don't even have anything. I got nothing for you, boy. That's it. Wow. All right, guys. That's it. We got no more. Oh, hey, bangប្អូនមើលច្រើនមែនទេទាច្រើនណា ច្រើនមែនទេ Duck invasion. Be careful, okay? They might peck your hand, boy. Look at that little one. See that? Right there. Look at that little one right there. Look at that. He's being bullied. Look at that little cool hair one.
Kaka, feed them. Kaka, break it low.
Uh-oh, they're fighting. Look at this. They're fighting. They're eating. Uh-oh, look. Oh, look at the cute hair one. Look, that one looks like a rooster, guys. Oh, right there. The red eye one. Baka, feed some small ones. Right there. Give one to the red eye one right there. Right there. Look. Oh, yeah, he got some. See that? The red eye one got some. Ducks, geese, and mallards, guys. These are geese. These are ducks. And some mallards over there, right there, wobbling. Wobble, wobble, one mallard. Tiaច្រើនបងប្អូនមកសិតតែទាមើលទាច្រើនមែនទេនេះចាប់យកទៅអាំងមួយដល់នេះស្អាំងហ៎ហើយចាប់ស្អាំងស្រួលទេបងប្អូនមើល
Pepe, be careful.
អូខេតាប៉ុណ្្នឹងសិនបងប្អូនឲ្យកូនខ្ញុំនេះហើយបាយបាយទៅជួបគ្នាទៀតតែងត្រីនៅស្ទួនេះសិនបងប្អូនតែងត្រីស្ទួសុបខេងត្រីខាងក្តាម
That's such a big claw. That claw is enormous. Look at that one, Dad. Look at that one.
Yeah. I can third try one. Squid, look at the squid, buddy.
Look at ink inside. There's still ink inside.
Yeah, look at it.
Whoa.
Wow, một độc đẹp tiêm phèn khăng một tem một ôn một phèn khăng. Don't touch it, okay? Come back. Này tray khăng một ôn tray khăng. Sạch món hay năng sạch câu.
Kaka, don't touch the cartoon. No snowy hair.
ขอบคุณครับบางคนออกคนหนึ่ง